In this video, I'll show you how to fix the too many requests error in Microsoft Teams. This error usually appears when Teams sends too many requests in a short period of time. It can be caused by rapid sign-ins, frequent refreshes, app glitches, or temporary service limits. Let's go through the most effective ways to resolve it. First, the simplest fix is to wait a few minutes. The too many requests error is often temporary. Close Microsoft Teams completely and give it about 5 to 10 minutes before opening it again. This allows the request limit to reset. Next, make sure Microsoft Teams is fully closed. On Windows, right-click the Teams icon in the System tray and select Quit. On Mac, right-click the Teams icon in the dock and choose Quit. After that, reopen Teams and sign in again. If the issue continues, try clearing the Microsoft Teams cache. Cached data can sometimes cause repeated requests and trigger this error. Clearing the cache forces Teams to rebuild fresh data and often fixes the problem. Another important step is to check your internet connection. An unstable or constantly reconnecting network can cause Teams to resend requests repeatedly. Switch to a stable network or restart your router if needed. You should also make sure Microsoft Teams is up to date. An outdated version of the app may contain bugs that lead to request errors. Go to Settings in Teams, check for updates, and install the latest version. In some cases, this error can be related to Microsoft service limits or account-level restrictions. If none of these steps work, contact your IT administrator or Microsoft support to check for tenant-level throttling or policy issues. And that's how you fix the too many requests error in Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.